Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a single prompt that you can utilize on ChatGPT to essentially learn any skill within 30 days, or at least to help you learn a skill within 30 days. So to begin, obviously you can put this prompt into a standard chat. You can do just a new chat and use it like that, or you can use it with a custom GPT and program it accordingly. But what I recommend is to simply use what we call projects mode. Now you can go here and click new project, and let's just say skill builder. It doesn't really make a difference. So we're building a skill. And now what I would do at this point is the best part with projects mode specifically is that you can utilize this right here, which is a form of memory mode that labels as project only. So by you clicking this, basically as it says here, projects can only access its own memories. Its memories are hidden from outside chats. So by clicking this, everything that you put into your chat now, well, your projects chat for skill builder, and anything from outside chats is basically kept completely separate. So this way, anything you upload, any memories that it has, anything that you discuss with it will stay confined to it, and this just helps have better memory hygiene overall and keep things very organized and clean within your ChatGPT. So as you can see here, it'll be right here in your projects, and you can go ahead and input the prompt if you like. Now, if you want the prompt, it will be in the description of the video or the first comment, depending if YouTube lets me put it or not. And you can just basically, all you're going to have to do is copy the prompt and then paste it just like this into your projects mode or whatever chat you'd like to use. Now, what's good about projects mode, once again, is you can upload documents as well, and that also will stay confined to it. So now we're going to do this, and we have it in the skill builder. I just put in the prompt. Now, this prompt is very perfect for beginners as well, because there's nothing you need to do except paste it. You can just simply go and click enter, and what it's going to do now is just simply ask us a series of questions that we will have to follow up and answer. Now, the reason for the questions is just to understand what you're doing and to get the better gist of what your goals are, and then from there it'll actually become your skill building tool once you actually go ahead and answer each of the series of questions that it provides. So for instance, you see here, what skill do you want to learn in the next 30 days? Be specific. And it's helpful to be very specific about each of these answers so that it has the most information to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and answer each of these questions, and then I'll come back and I'll just show you quickly what the questions are so it's not overly redundant, and then you'll see how this thing will actually work by just simply copy and pasting the prompt into your ChatGPT. So in this hypothetical situation, I just basically said I want to learn basic coding. Then it goes on and says like what my current level is, what's the goal outcome, if there's any time constraints, how many hours per day I can dedicate, the learning style of what we'd like, whether we want to do it with drills or project-based or mixed, if I want to pay for equipment, if I have any equipment, or if I'm willing to pay for equipment, any constraints that I might have in terms of focus or whatever, and how we'd like the feedback, as well as any hard rules. And now it's actually going to build us a plan for 30 days to actually start learning alongside ChatGPT, and it'll actually construct how we will do this. And it'll give us perfect feedback as we go through it. So as we see here, your 30-day skill builder plan: basic coding to independent. Language: Python, fastest path to I can code on my own, free, useful everywhere. So it actually gave us a suggestion because I wasn't specific. Obviously, this is just a hypothetical situation. So by just putting in a very general term, like I would like to learn coding, it'll even give you recommendations of which ones you should do, which is fantastic. So free setup: install Python 3, install VS Code, use Replit as a backup, runs in browser, no install, optional. It gives you exactly what you should be doing. Then we see here, skill map in the right order: run code plus basic syntax, minimum practice, 10 to whatever. Weekly roadmap: it'll give you an entire understanding of how you should start and where you should head. Daily 60-minute session template: repeatable, warm up, rerun yesterday's code, one tiny tweak, output, all kinds of different things to basically help you learn whatever skill it is that you want to be learning. In this case, it's code, but you can use any skill that you would like. Obviously not playing basketball, because that'd be very difficult to do through a computer, but you understand the gist of how this works. So projects, rep, schedule, yada yada yada, and it gives you a full day-by-day plan and how you should focus on it throughout the entire thing. Tracking accessibility, and then at the end of it, when you see here, when you're ready, start day 1. I'll run today's session step by step and coach your output. Okay, so let's go start day 1. And then just like that, you're actually learning a skill utilizing ChatGPT with this simple prompt that you can input for virtually any skill that is realistic on a computer. So as you can see here, goal today, you can run Python code, you can imprint, whatever. VS Code on your computer, best long term, and you can basically choose which one you want and it'll help you work through it. So let's just say A and see what it does. Give it a second. But basically that's about it. There's not much more to this. Anything you're doing, you'll be able to give, input whatever it is that you're doing into ChatGPT, show it your work, and it'll give you feedback and help you work through exactly how you should learn this skill and actually help you progress in that 30-day time period. So we see here, perfect VS Code, step 1, install Python. During install, check, whatever, finish install, step 2, verify it works, and it gives you literally step by step so you can learn it as an absolute beginner in this case. So that's about it. If you guys want the prompt, all you have to do is copy and paste it into your ChatGPT. It'll be in the description of this video, or like I said, in the comments if YouTube doesn't allow me to put it in the description. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.